Hello, my name is Christopher Moore. I am in a group with Ilyana Smith and Kyung Yeon. This is Case A for Nationwide Insurance. Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company, which is based in Ohio, and it's one of the largest insurance and financial service companies. It offers a comprehensive range of products with insurance provided for auto, motorcycle, boat, life, homeowners, and farms, as well as annuities, mortgages, mutual funds, pensions, and investment management. Due to the fact that Nationwide's business units have been working independently, there has been a duplication of efforts, widely dissimilar data processing environments, and extreme data redundancy, resulting in higher expenses which have made mergers or acquisitions difficult. So to help resolve these difficulties, they started using enterprise data warehouse technology from Teradata. With this, Nationwide was able to transform its business units into integrated units by using cutting-edge analytics that work with clear, consolidated data. Nationwide has a customer knowledge store initiative that helped with developing a customer-centric database that helps with acquiring customer, product, and external data, which can be used to create a good relationship with customers. Integrated information also has some performance payoff in financial operations with the Financial Performance Management Initiative that was implemented. When Nationwide merged with Allied Insurance, the ability to integrate the data from the two companies allowed the IT department to bring all the data from the source systems into a centralized data warehouse, which can help them identify unknown potential differences in the data environment and then correcting them. By enhancing their performance and reporting systems, Nationwide was able to analyze the information with a lot of interactive and drilled down to details capabilities at various levels and almost eliminated requests for manual policy audits. This resulted in the saving of time as well as money for both the business and the technology teams. Nationwide needed an Why did Nationwide need an enterprise-wide data warehouse? Nationwide needed an enterprise-wide data warehouse because of the merger between Nationwide and Allied Insurance, as they did not process data the same way. The data between the two companies were brought together, eliminated duplication into a centralized data warehouse that had resulted in a standard dimensional reporting, which helped Nationwide in performing its what-if analysis. Problems and differences were more easily able to be identified, and an enterprise-wide data warehouses also helped them in creating a single and authoritative environment for clean, consistent, and complete data from the ground up without redundancy. That data could then be used for best practices analytics in order to make strategic as well as tactical business decisions within the areas of customer growth, retention, product profitability, cost containment, and productivity improvements. With the help of the enterprise-wide data warehouse from Teradata, Nationwide was able to transform their businesses' siloed units that had been supported by stovepipe data environments into one of the integrated units with the use of the cutting-edge analytics, which worked with clear, consolidated data that is from all of its business units. The data warehouse also supports 85% of Nationwide businesses, with its more than 2,500 users. How did integrated data drive the business value? How integrated data drove the business value is by being able to have all of the data on consumers in just one place. By having acquired customers, products, and external data from 48 sources into a single customer data mart, they could then create a good relationship with their customers, as well as a more effective customer marketing campaign. With this data, they can help with improving customer satisfaction as well as contribute to the higher sales and better communications. What form of analytics are employed at Nationwide? The forms of analytics that are employed at Nationwide are descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. The data warehouse of the company, Nationwide, is supported by descriptive analytics for all of its functions. Predictive analytics is used to identify the different kinds of customer interactions for Customer Knowledge Store, while predictive analytics relates to the financial performance management in order to make forward-looking decisions based on current situations. With integrated data available in an enterprise data warehouse, what other applications could Nationwide potentially develop? The other applications that Nationwide could potentially develop with integrated data available in an enterprise data warehouse are customer knowledge, financial operations, post-merger data, and enhancing reporting. Some others might be product pricing, risk management, and regulatory compliance. Thank you.